Our planet faces a critical challenge: climate change. The burning of fossil fuels releases harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and warm the planet. This warming effect leads to rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and other disastrous consequences. Fortunately, there is a solution: renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind replenish naturally. They offer a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. By transitioning to renewable energy, we can reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. This shift to clean energy is essential for the health of our planet and future generations. We must embrace this change for a brighter and more sustainable future. The transition to renewable energy offers numerous benefits. It reduces our reliance on finite fossil fuels. It also creates jobs in the growing green energy sector. Additionally, renewable energy sources are often locally sourced. This reduces dependence on foreign energy imports. It is clear that embracing renewable energy is not just an environmental necessity, but also an economic opportunity. We must act urgently to promote and implement renewable energy solutions. The future of our planet depends on it. Let us work together to create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for all. Solar power harnesses the sun's energy to generate electricity. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) panels, are the key to this process. These panels are made up of solar cells, typically made from silicon. When sunlight strikes these cells, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms. This movement of electrons creates an electrical current. The process of converting sunlight into electricity is entirely clean and silent. There are no harmful emissions or byproducts. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops, in fields, or even integrated into building materials. This makes solar energy a versatile and accessible renewable energy source. The electricity generated by solar panels can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire communities. As technology advances, the efficiency of solar panels continues to improve, making them an increasingly cost-effective energy solution. Solar power offers numerous advantages as a clean and sustainable energy source. First and foremost, it is a renewable resource. The sun provides an inexhaustible supply of energy that we can harness for electricity generation. Solar power is also environmentally friendly. It does not produce any greenhouse gas emissions or pollutants during operation. This makes it a crucial tool in the fight against climate change. Moreover, solar power is incredibly versatile. Solar panels can be installed in various locations, from rooftops to large-scale solar farms. This adaptability makes it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Furthermore, advancements in solar technology have significantly reduced the cost of solar panels in recent years, making solar energy an increasingly affordable option for homeowners and businesses alike. Despite its many advantages, solar power also faces certain challenges. One of the main challenges is the intermittency of sunlight. Solar panels can only generate electricity when the sun is shining. This means that energy storage solutions, such as batteries, are essential for ensuring a consistent power supply. Additionally, the initial cost of installing solar panels can be significant. Although the price has come down considerably, it may still pose a barrier for some individuals and businesses. Another challenge is the land use associated with large-scale solar farms. While solar panels can be installed on rooftops and other existing structures, large-scale projects often require significant land areas. This can potentially lead to competition for land use with other sectors, such as agriculture. Despite these challenges, the advantages of solar power far outweigh its drawbacks. As technology continues to improve and costs continue to decline, solar energy is poised to play an increasingly important role in the transition to a clean energy future. Wind power harnesses the kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity. Wind turbines, tall structures with blades resembling airplane propellers, are the workhorses of this process. These turbines are strategically placed in areas with consistent wind resources, such as open plains, coastlines, or even offshore locations. As wind blows across the blades of a wind turbine, it creates a lift force, similar to how an airplane wing generates lift. This force causes the blades to rotate, turning a rotor connected to a generator inside the turbine's nacelle, the box-like structure atop the tower. The generator converts the rotational energy into electricity, which is then fed into the electrical grid for distribution. Wind power, like solar power, is a clean and renewable energy source that produces no greenhouse gas emissions or pollutants during operation. Its reliance on the natural power of wind makes it a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Section 5. Advantages and challenges of wind power. Wind power presents several advantages as a renewable energy source. Firstly, wind is a widely available resource, especially in coastal areas, open plains, and mountainous regions. Wind energy can be harnessed both onshore and offshore, providing flexibility in project location. Secondly, wind power generation boasts zero greenhouse gas emissions. This characteristic makes it an essential player in combating climate change by reducing our carbon footprint. The operational costs of wind turbines are relatively low once installed. This makes wind power a cost-competitive energy source compared to fossil fuels. However, wind power faces its own set of challenges. One primary concern is the intermittent nature of wind. Wind speeds can fluctuate, leading to variability in energy production. This intermittency requires backup power sources or energy storage solutions to ensure a stable grid. Another challenge is the visual impact of wind turbines, especially in scenic areas. Some people may find large wind farms aesthetically disruptive. This necessitates careful planning and siting of wind energy projects to minimize visual impact. Noise pollution from wind turbines is another concern, although technological advancements have significantly reduced noise levels in modern turbines. Despite these challenges, wind power remains a crucial component of the global shift towards renewable energy. Its advantages in terms of environmental sustainability and cost-effectiveness outweigh its drawbacks. Continued research and development aim to mitigate the challenges associated with wind power, further enhancing its viability as a primary energy source. Section 6. Solar and Wind, a powerful partnership. Solar and wind power, while potent individually, form a formidable partnership in the quest for a sustainable energy future. Their complementary strengths address each other's weaknesses, creating a more resilient and reliable renewable energy system. Solar power shines when the sun is at its peak, typically during the day. Wind power, on the other hand, often reaches its maximum potential during the night or early morning hours. This natural synergy allows for a more consistent energy supply when these two resources are combined. When solar generation dips due to cloud cover or nightfall, wind power can pick up the slack, and vice versa. This complementary relationship becomes particularly valuable in areas with diverse weather patterns. By diversifying energy sources with solar and wind power, regions can reduce their reliance on a single source and create a more robust energy portfolio. Furthermore, integrating solar and wind power can enhance grid stability. The intermittent nature of each resource is mitigated when combined, leading to a smoother and more predictable energy flow. This, in turn, reduces the need for conventional power plants to ramp up or down quickly to compensate for fluctuations, leading to a more efficient and cleaner grid. The synergistic relationship between solar and wind power extends beyond energy generation. Both technologies share similar infrastructure needs, such as transmission lines and grid integration technologies. This synergy can translate into cost savings during project development and implementation. Section 7. Real-world success stories, solar and wind in action. The transition to renewable energy is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality, as evidenced by numerous successful solar and wind projects worldwide. These projects demonstrate the feasibility and scalability of renewable energy solutions, paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable future. One inspiring example is the Hornsdale Power Reserve in South Australia, the world's largest battery storage system paired with a wind farm. This mega battery, often referred to as the Tesla Big Battery, stores excess energy generated by the wind farm and releases it during periods of high demand or when wind generation is low. This project has significantly enhanced grid stability in South Australia, proving the effectiveness of combining renewable energy with storage solutions. Another remarkable project is the Ivanpah Solar Power Facility in California, the world's largest solar thermal power plant. This facility utilizes thousands of mirrors to concentrate sunlight onto towers, heating water to produce steam that drives turbines to generate electricity. The Ivanpah facility showcases the potential of concentrated solar power technology to provide clean energy on a large scale. In the realm of offshore wind power, the Hornsea Project 1, located off the coast of Yorkshire, England, stands as a testament to the industry's rapid advancement. As the largest offshore wind farm globally, Hornsea Project 1 comprises over 170 wind turbines, generating enough clean electricity to power over 1 million homes in the UK. This project highlights the immense potential of offshore wind energy to contribute significantly to a nation's energy mix. Section 8. A brighter future powered by renewables. The journey towards a sustainable future hinges on our collective commitment to transitioning away from fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. These clean energy technologies offer a beacon of hope in the face of climate change, paving the way for a healthier planet and a brighter future for generations to come. As we have explored, solar and wind power offer numerous advantages, including their inexhaustible nature, environmental friendliness, and cost-effectiveness. While challenges remain, such as intermittency and land use concerns, ongoing technological advancements and innovative solutions continue to mitigate these obstacles, further solidifying the viability of renewables as primary energy sources. The real-world success stories of solar and wind projects worldwide demonstrate that the transition to a clean energy future is not a distant aspiration but an attainable reality. From the massive Hornsdale Power Reserve battery storage system to the sprawling Ivanpah solar power facility and the groundbreaking Hornsea Project 1 offshore wind farm, these projects exemplify the transformative power of renewable energy. The time for action is now. We must embrace the urgency of addressing climate change by accelerating the adoption of renewable energy sources. By investing in research and development, implementing supportive policies, and fostering public awareness, we can usher in an era where clean energy powers our world. Let us join hands and work together to create a future where our children and grandchildren inherit a planet teeming with life, powered by the boundless energy of the sun and the wind, a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering commitment to a sustainable future.